Hey everyone, we are back with another YouTube video related to Vestige. What is Vestige? Well, Vestige Marketing Private Limited is one of the top direct selling companies in India since 2004. It is one of the leading companies with a distributor base of more than 70 lakhs. It is an ISO 9001-2015 certified Indian company. Vestige is a multi-level marketing company which can also be called a network marketing company. The company does direct sales of worldwide extensive range of products across healthcare, personal care, oral care, health food, agriculture and self-help service categories. Is network marketing or MLM legal in Nepal? Yes, it is legal in Nepal. Recently, after passing the Bill of Direct Sales Networking Bill 2074 in the Nepalese Parliament, it has indeed become legal in Nepal. Vestige Nepal. Vestige Nepal has grown many potential clients within a short period of time. It has been only 6 months since its establishment in Nepal. Its head office is located at Putali Sadak, Kathmandu. It works in the concept of network marketing. A customer can make more customers and receive a commission for making new customers. Vestige marketing plan is designed to be an equal business opportunity for all those who get associated with Vestige. The marketing plan ensures that you earn in proportion to the efforts you put in and provides benefits such as leadership bonuses and pool income. These incomes are further enhanced by combining the downline performance so that it is always beneficial to create more leaders in your group. As downline becomes successful, you become even more successful. How can you benefit from Vestige? Vestige earning mechanism claims to provide you with many benefits. You can be an entrepreneur without owning your own business. The company's network marketing methodology provides benefits from your referrals and the referrals of your referrals. This can be summed up as you can earn from your friends and friends of friends. Being in Vestige member also help you earn commission and receive discounts. Are there any other companies like Vestige Nepal operating in Nepal? Network marketing has been practiced in Nepal even before it was declared legal. Back then, some companies from Nepal and India were running this business illegally in Nepal. However, since it was illegal, some of these businesses were also accused of cheating and fraud cases. Some of the recently opened companies are Oriental and Global Orange Nepal. What is causing Nepalese people fear to trust network marketing, Vestige Nepal or any other similar companies? Citizens are still skeptical about Vestige Nepal and other similar network marketing businesses. The first and foremost reason is that this business carries a history of hiding an actual scam behind its business strategy. Later, these companies either collapsed or were banned. This caused people to lose their money as well as their trust for such types of companies. In 2011, Nepal government declared network marketing illegal due to the rise of scams and frauds. In 2018, a company named IBOS Globe Marketing was held accused of duping people in the name of networking business. Likewise, other company named Gold Quest 2 was found doing the same and thus were banned in 2003. Another such scam was done by a company called Unity Life Insurance Network in 2003. It is conducted network marketing hiding behind the banner of insurance company. Similarly, a company known as Harbo International Network was found guilty of running network marketing illegally. Recently, a company called Q Network was also held accused of illegitimately running network marketing business. Is Vestige Nepal attracting more people these days? After legalizing network marketing, the Nepal government has made it considerably easier for companies to run a network marketing company without any undercover. Significantly, Vestige Nepal has attracted many youngsters to be its registered members. The employed and unemployed youths are getting attracted to it for a medium of side income. Vestige Nepal claims to have real success stories and effective way of earning which can attract many people. This might be true or not true. We cannot declare the extent though. Contrary to this, it has attracted many youths. What's your judgment? What do you think about Vestige Nepal and other networks alike? Please provide your thoughts in the comment section below. We will love to hear from you. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Join to Watch. Keep loving us. Thank you. Take care.